Hey guys, today's gonna be a nice easy fix. What we're fixing today? This Toyota Heritage grill. Why do I need to fix it? Well, let's see. It's pretty much coming off. So I don't want to lose this piece. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. For this job, you don't really need that much. Just need some paper towels, some good M3 double-sided tape, adhesive remover, and something to scrape off the old double-sided tape. All right, first things first, let's take it off. I got this from Yota Xepdition. This is an aftermarket one, same as this, and same as the lights. So, how is this being held? Is just by 3M tape across. So I guess that the tape is not sticking anymore. So how we take this off? We just get a nice firm grip and just pull out. That's it. See? It's just by the 3M tape right here. If there's 3M tape, I did this before because it's coming off again, so I gotta redo it. This time, got some wider tape. Hopefully this will work. So let's first take this off. So now since we have this off, I have this adhesive remover. Hopefully I can clean this off. Just here, and let's see what comes off. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this. You don't need to see me clean this for the next 5-10 minutes. Preparation is everything, so just take your time and take everything off. All right, this part's clean. Now let's move on to the next step. All right, so now let's clean up the grill part. Let it soak.
A few moments later.
So I'll let the fluid do its thing so I can remove the M3 tape, which is the adhesive part of it, which stuck the plastic piece to the bumper. Cleaned it off. Then I used some soap and water to really give it a good, thorough clean. All right, so now I took it off, I cleaned it. I used soap and water, cleaned off all the removal adhesive off. Now for it to get a good bond, I'm just gonna get a nice clean paper towel. So I used on all my 3M tapes. So far no problem, just regular rubbing alcohol. Just clean off the surface. Little here, and just wipe it down. So it really cleans anything and everything off. I'm doing the same thing to the grill, the Toyota grill right now, to get a really good clean. Now let this dry off and we'll put the adhesive on. All right, so I gave this like 10-15 minutes to air out. Just wipe it off again just in case anything got on there. All right, so got the 3M, handy dandy Leatherman to help me cut it. So we're just gonna lay down the strip right here, and that's it. I just laid the tape loosely so then I can go over it and press it down firmly. So it makes a good bond. You want to lay it down loosely to see if that's where you want to leave the tape. Otherwise, you have to peel it off and do everything all over again. So now I'm just pressing everything down, nice and firm. Same thing. I just want to put a little tape out there on top. All right. So this is dry. Let me just clean it off one more time. All right. So I'm just gonna test fit it. I haven't taken any of these off yet. Let's see how it's gonna be. You want to get now. Okay, good. So you want to get this lip underneath this grill here. Also, on the bottom, see you have a cutout, a little cutout right here for this sensor. So you want to put it like so. See it? How the cutout is somewhere in between. So you want to lift in, push under, and then squeeze it all the way in, semi-middle. So let's do it. Let's right now take off these. Like that. Should be somewhat straight. All right, should be good.
Now you want to press firmly on the Toyota Heritage grill so it gets a good bond with that 3M tape against the bumper.
So that's how you repair your loose Toyota grill or install, whichever one you choose. Really simple. And like I said, you can do this yourself. Anybody can do it. That's why I'm showing these videos. All right, guys. Hope you learned something. Take care.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thanks.